Hi there, welcome to my channel Learning Arc. Hope you all are doing well, staying safe and healthy. Today's episode is going to be really exciting. Based on the popularity on learning English, we brought you 10 of the best movies to learn English with in 2020. I want to make you a list of my favorite movies that I had seen over the years that will be great for you to learn English with. Watching movies in English is an awesome way of improving your English, especially your English speaking and listening skills. If you are tired of books and learning difficult grammar and vocabulary, then take a break and watch some classic Hollywood movies. And of course, improve your English at the same time. Now, watching English movies in English is very helpful with accent, be it everything from Texas American English or London style British English. Either way, you get to hear native speaker using English in its natural setting and context. Here you learn how native English speakers use various tones for particular emotions or even different taking speeds with people from different locations. This is particularly useful if you want to practice your listening skills as well. Now, I will give you 5 tips to learn English through movies. Number 1. Only choose interesting films. Now this sounds obvious, but the most important thing when using films to study English is to watch movies you will enjoy. If you choose a boring film, then you may lose interest and pay less attention to the language it uses. To find interesting films by genre, title, actor, actress, or date of release, you can also visit IMDb or Metascore rating also. The basic film genres are action, comedy, drama, fantasy, horror, mystery, thriller, romance, documentary, and animation. Tip number 2. Avoid movies that are too difficult. When you are watching a film in English, it is important that you understand enough to follow the storyline. Try to choose a movie that suits your current level of English. If you are a beginner, you may want to start with simple cartoons or children films like Toy Story. On the other hand, if you understand 99% of the dialogue between characters in the movie, it may be too easy for you. Tip number 3 is aim to understand 70% or more. When learning English with films, you should aim to understand the general meaning and not the every single word. And don't worry if you miss some words or phrases or do not understand the accent of the character in the movie. You can pause or rewind the film sometimes and write down new vocabulary. But avoid doing this too often. Remember that watching movies should be fun. Tip number 4 is repeat your favorite lines. Now, if you hear a line that you really like, write it down and repeat it. If you say it aloud, you are more likely to remember it. Sometimes you will hear phrases that sound cool and are used in everyday English. Now, the last tip is use subtitles in the right way. When you are watching a film in English, it is a good idea to turn the subtitles on. With the most video players, you can do this via the setting tab. On YouTube, press the CC button in the bottom right corner and then select the English subtitles. If you really like a movie, perhaps try watching it once with subtitles and then again without. But avoid subtitles in your own language. And now I'm going to give you top 10 best films for learning English. Movie number 1 is Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is set in Louisiana, USA, while the US was involved in Vietnam War in the 1970s. Forrest Gump is a bit on the slow side due to some mental defects. But that doesn't stop him from joining the war, becoming a great American football player, and later chasing after his true love, Jenny. While this ends in tragedy, Forrest still managed to run a marathon for 3 whole years. Movie number 2 is The Hangover. The Hangover is a hilarious comedy movie about the funny adventure of 3 single men, Stu, Phil, and Alan. They celebrate an unforgettable single party for their best friend Doug's wedding before his marriage. This party is really unforgettable, but in a bad way. Waking up after the party, Stu finds that he lost a tooth. There's a tiger in the bathroom and a baby in the wardrobe. The 3 men lose contact with Doug, and the adventure to uncover all the mysteries of Stu, Phil, and Alan begins. The Hangover will teach you a lot of slangs and colloquial expressions. that are commonly used by native speakers. However, these characters' dialogue are quite fast, which you should consider before choosing it to watch and learn. Movie number 3 is The Shawshank Redemption. If you want to watch a classic film in English, try The Shawshank Redemption. Many people see it as one of the best films that ever made, and it is famous for its twist ending. The Shawshank Redemption is based on a book by Stephen King, and it tells the story of a white educated man who has been sentenced to life in prison over 20 years. He makes friends with a black prisoner called Red, who is played by Morgan Freeman. Movie number 4 is Toy Story. Toy Story is a beloved animated classic from Disney dating back to the 90s. While there are now 4 Toy Story movies, the original is the best in my opinion. The story is set mostly in a child's room where his toys come to life and have adventures together when he is not around. 2 toys in particular, Buzz Lightyear and Woody, often quarrel because they want to be the favorite toy. All the toys have different voices, so it's quite hilarious to listen to. Movie number 5 is Harry Potter series. Both muggles and wizards alike will love the story of Harry Potter's transition from a helpless orphan into a world-famous wizard. With his 2 best friends, Ron and Hermione, they repeatedly save Hogwarts from an evil man, wizard, a creature known as Voldemort. There are 8 fantastic series here, so this will keep you occupied for a while. Movie number 6 is Home Alone. Home Alone is a story about an 8-year-old boy named Kevin who was accidentally left behind when his family rushed to the airport to take a flight to Paris on their Christmas holiday. While enjoying being home alone, Kevin was threatened by 2 intruders, Harry and Marv. However, instead of crying, Kevin played tricks on the thieves, and the series of Kevin's funny and brilliant traps occurred. With hilarious scenes, slow and clear speech, Home Alone is a good choice for you to learn English and also entertain yourself. Number 7 is Jurassic Park series. Okay, so everyone's already seen this, and if not, then it's high time to watch these movies. It's the perfect movie for learning some slightly complicated scientific words in a thoroughly entertaining context. It also happens to be my favorite film ever. Movie number 8 is Notting Hill. If you are not sure whether to learn British or American English, this movie offers both in one perfect romantic comedy package. Set in London, it shows a nerdy bookshop owner who falls in love with an American movie star. The ending will make you feel all warm and fuzzy. Movie number 9 is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a universally amusing film. For the young and old, its fun themes, outlandish costumes, and set designs could keep you engaged from beginning to end, even you have just started learning English and struggle to keep up with the dialogue. Movie number 10 is King's Speech. What better way to learn English than with the King of England? When the King's Speech came out in 2010, it immediately became one of the biggest films of the year. The film follows King George as he tries to overcome a stutter before his first wartime radio broadcast. A stutter is a speech problem when a person talks with repeated sounds or words. This is a great movie to improve your British pronunciation because the whole film focuses on how to speak English correctly. We as English learners often forget that we don't have to know perfect English to communicate with native speakers. If you are waiting for your English to be perfect before you start using it with native speaker, then you are going to be waiting a very long time before this happens. My advice is just speak English using the words you know already, and the rest will come later, and you will be surprised how well you can communicate using what you know. You can also learn the English by watching short movies. If sitting through a full movie in English seems too difficult, then it might be a good idea for you to start watching short films. There are many short films in English which can range from just a few minutes long to about an hour. I'm also sharing few more movies from my collection. You can also check out from those. Hey, thanks for watching till right the end. Hope this video will be helpful for you to learn English. So stay tuned with us, give us a thumbs up if you liked our work, press the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.